There are 6 main reasons I selected these Sargent art colored pencils. When they included gold and silver, as well as the huge variety of 120 different bright colors, I was really sold and excited about the variety of the color options. I also love that they came pre-sharpened. When they are quick and easy to use right out of the gate, they resharpen easily. The lead comes out steady. There's no streaking or chunkiness, unless that's what you're going for. That was very appealing to me because I, quite frankly, do not have time to sharpen a more expensive set of a whole thing of pencils that aren't sharpened. 3, I love that they support creativity. At a pretty reasonable price point, they seemed like a great solution for everyone that might use them, from beginning to experts. 4, I love the cognitive impact. Coloring is just really a great solution for my parents and my children to do together. It seems to help them with focus and relaxation, a win-win for all. 5, environmentally friendly. I like that when we are finished with these can be disposed of directly, and I don't have to worry about any adverse effect to our environment. And finally, they're safe and non-toxic. Just in case a pet or a young child gets on them and gnaws on them, I don't have to be concerned. Overall, for an introductory price point that's spot on, it seemed like a great choice for creativity, environmentally safe for all, come ready to use, arrive well packaged, stay good in the box if you want to use that. I would definitely buy these again.